Yo guys, what's up? Shadow here and welcome back to another episode of Space Engineers. Today, I have two projects that I want to do simultaneously-ish. One, since I think we discussed this last time, we seem to be in a bit of a slow bottleneck kind of situation where we do not assemble things too quick. So I think I will place up to 2 new assemblers in this setup here. And in the same vein, I'm gonna add a new set of solar panels to the station. And I'm probably gonna actually put them somewhere like around the asteroids, and I might actually use the script to align them towards the sun, you know, so we have like smart solar panels. But yeah, this is gonna be the 2 things I want to do today. So I think we should just start with the assemblers because that's the easiest thing to do. Let me just get them in here. So, let's just get the steel plates first. And then the rest. There we go, some steel plates. That might actually already be enough steel plates. Let's try to put them in the same orientation. There we go. Okay, that's enough steel plates. Let us get the computers next. Just gonna do this component by component, more or less. Displays and I think it's 10 of these. Oh, wait, they don't go in here. They go in here. 10 of these, then 10 displays it was, I think, per thingy. And I think we need some construction components too. Yeah, and now just 40 motors and we're done. And then we'll also slap on some of these modules that we already have on the other ones. There we go. Right, so now we'll have to put these new assemblers into the same mode as well. So these are on cooperative mode, so we'll have to do these as well. Right? Okay, so are they now actually doing stuff? That is the question here. No, assembler 3 and 4 are not doing anything right now. Hold on, are we actually even producing anything anymore at this point? We might not even be producing stuff anymore. Yes, we are. Assembler 2 is definitely producing something. But only Assembler 2 for some reason. Why is that? Hold on. 10,990. Or 91 actually. Why did we do that in Assembler 1? I'm not quite sure. There we go. Let's just... Okay, so Assembler 3 and 4 are doing... Yeah, now we're getting there. Now this should fill up a lot quicker. Right. This might actually overfill our everything quite quickly. Well, we'll see. But yeah, we'll need a ton of these as well, so that's fine. Right. So now for the modules, of course we have speed modules on these, so we'll do the same thing. We'll get speed modules on these. So let's speed. Let me get that module out here. There we go. So we need more steel plates. So we're going to place 4 of those down. There we go. Okay, steel plates are in. Now, same thing over here. Let me just turn that around so it's the same orientation, or at least I think it is. Okay, we need 10 more steel plates. And we should be good. Alright, computers, motors. I think computers, we need about 300 computers or so. And a bunch of motors. There we go. And now small tubes, and we're done. And construction components. Whoopsie daisy, forgot about those, but yeah. Excellent. And done. All right, so now we should get a lot of these really quickly. So let me just fly a few of those over, just so we have a bit, you know, so that doesn't overfill too quickly. But yeah, now we should have a very steady production when it comes to the superconductors. There we go, and the first one is almost filled up. Excellent. There we go. First 1,000 superconductors have been installed. Excellent. Okay. So now with these new assemblers, of course, our station now is under a bit more load than it is before, which means it will drain a lot faster, especially if all of the assemblers are working at the same time, which they seem to be. Yeah, that is exactly what they're doing. Okay, so that means we should definitely try to install more solar panels. Now, to do that, let me just get a few components in my inventory and also a drill, because we shall need that as well. We'll get some components in here. There we go. And now, if I remember this correctly, I think I do, then we drilled down into the asteroid. Right, this thing. Oh, yes, okay. Actually, we don't need a conveyor belt. I just realized that. We don't even need conveyors. We need just steel plates. We drilled down into the asteroid, of course, and got ourselves connection to the lower part of the asteroid. Now, I think it would probably be beneficial to go to the front of the or the side of the asteroid that is actually pointing away from the planet. So I think that would be this direction, and I think the height I will go about here-ish. So let me start drilling away here. Then we'll also... Actually, I'll just add this block here. That makes it a little bit easier. Yes, we'll go in this direction. Let's see how far we have to drill to make this happen. Might actually be quite far. Also, again, we're always drifting off while drilling. That's just how it is. Right, let me start getting these over here. Back on track a little bit. Further we go. Is this connected? I think it is. I wasn't sure actually. I might have placed it in a non-connecting fashion. No, it should be fine. Okay. Right. Further. Yeah, that is not bad. I think I've dug more curved tunnels before, actually. Okay. Now in this direction. Drifted off again slightly. It's sometimes difficult without gravity to maintain an actual vector, you know. Ah! We got it! Excellent. Alright, here we go. I'll just plonk this. You know what? I'm actually gonna offset this a little bit to the side for various reasons. But yeah, something like that, and then for design purposes, because I don't like building these kind of constructions where I just have a curve in like that. That looks so freaking flimsy, doesn't it? So we're gonna do like a little bit of the support beam thing going on here. Something like that. That looks a little bit more realistic, doesn't it? And then the same thing here, just in a smaller way. There we go. Okay, now we need to weld all of that. That's gonna be a bit of an annoying part, but hey, there you go. Just have to get back in first and foremost. There we go. We'll have to make sure that we can fly through here, no problem. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh. I've ignored the warnings. God damn it. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay. Could have been worse. Could have been a lot worse. Right. So yeah, we'll just weld this all, and then we'll put the solar panels on a rotor, on actually two rotors, or a rotor and a hinge, to be fair, or more accurate. And once we've done that, we'll implement a solar tracking script that I've been using for most of my solar tracking needs in my games. It's a pretty good script. It's... oh shit. Ah, darn. Let me just fix that real quick. Hold on. Actually, I don't even need to pick these up, don't I? I just need to dig past them. That's fine. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're through. Excellent. Right, let's start from here. Yeah, that's actually not even that long of a connection here. Okay, and now just as an interval between this... oh, look at that. Yeah, so many superconductors now getting made. Excellent. Let me just run a few of these over here. Did I put that? No. There we go. Put it into the right thing. Just gonna get a few of those over so we can keep emptying up this container so it doesn't overflow. Let's make 3 runs. And back down to 1,000 pretty much. Okay. Yes, this one. There we go. Halfway there on this one. Excellent. And of course, after this, I also want to make a few more steel plates. Right, so let me get some steel plates. Let me actually drop this. We don't need that. There we go. Okay. Most excellent. All right, back to the container. Let's get some more superconductors over to the ship. We'll do 3 trips again. It's kind of nice to have these 2 things to work on parallel, you know. Otherwise, I would still be able to outpace my assemblers. I think I still do outpace them somewhat, but now I don't have to wait like 5-10 minutes until I get enough superconductors to work with again, so that's nice. And I mean, we still have potential for more, you know. That's how it is. Okay, let's get another set of steel plates. I think that's far enough away from the asteroid to not get interfered with. So that should be fine. Alright, let me grab some more of these. These bad boys. The second one filled up. Excellent. This is now getting a bit more easy, you know? Because before I didn't think I would see an end to this, to the freaking jump drives, and now I kind of feel we're getting there. We're on the way. We're producing now. Well, we'll probably soon will run out of silver again. I think we probably already have. So, generally a project that will probably be ongoing is the small mining ship. I will probably gradually start improving that thing, you know, bit by bit, but we'll see. So, we need now a rotor and a hinge. And let me just grab these. I think that should be fine. So let's weld these few parts here. Right, so now we'll place first the rotor, and since we don't have any connectors to deal with, a normal rotor will suffice for this. And then one of the hinges, I do like the hinges, I have to say. One of the best items they added in recent history. It really makes designs more pretty, I would say. It's not like you couldn't design certain things without the hinges. I don't think that's true that much. I mean, I saw a few designs with hinges that were special. For example, like a chain. Like a chain that is wrapping around itself, so you almost have like a rope. That is now possible with the hinges, but most machines just look a bit more pretty with hinges. You know, I could technically put a block here and then a rotor here, and that would technically function in more or less the same manner. But honestly, it wouldn't be close to being the same in beauty. So, I do like the hinges a lot. They're cool. Okay, let me get some of that, some of that action, and I think we need more of them big tubes. We can. Again, Jesus. All right. Oh, a few more steel plates apparently. Oh well. Well, we need more steel plates anyway for the next step, so that's fine. Steel plates, there we go. Right, and now we'll obviously put the solar panels on here, and let's see, we'll start around here. And then I think we'll just put them in this direction, so let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 solar panels, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Jesus Christ. I think that should be able to freely rotate without too much trouble, I believe. And let's count again. So that's 1 solar panel, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, okay, that's good. Do we have solar panels still in here? Oh, yes. Absolute ton of solar panels. Excellent. Very much excellent indeed. Let me just tank a little bit of energy here. Get a bit the juice. And then we're just putting on the solar panels first so they can start collecting energy already. And then after everything is placed, I'll have to put up that script. Shouldn't be too much of a problem if I remember how to use it. It's been a tiny while since I've used it, a little while. And also, most of the time if I use it, I actually have the guide open next to me. Not because it's super complicated, but yeah, I don't know. I forget stuff. All right. Solar panels. There we go. Here we have them. So let's start adding them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which of course will make out to a total of 16 new solar panels that hopefully will be able to catch a lot of energy during... I just fucked something up, didn't I? During this cycle of the sun's travel, which is, I think, one of the longest cycles it does, honestly. So I think this will be a big energy supplier. Now, there's still going to be the dark age when it's behind the planet. This is where we have to have enough energy stored to actually make it through the dark time. That sounds so epic. The dark time. Sit down, children, and let me tell you of the dark time. Yes. But I don't think it should be too much of a problem. I mean, if push comes to shove, we'll just smack a few more batteries down for emergency and, you know, but still. Actually, I think we'll need this stuff, I think. Let's see. Oh, we also need more steel plates. Okay, I see where this is going. Right. There we go. Make sure everything is good. More construction components, but I think the steel plates are good. Yeah. Let's get 50 more on these. Let's also get 100 computers. And let's go. And then we need a bunch of girders. And bulletproof glass, but that's another problem. Right. Just so we can finish a few of the solar panels. Now, I am aware that it's when the sound is down there, these solar panels are going to be blocking out these solar panels. But I think it still is going to be a benefit, because these are going to be exactly pointing at the sun. So they will take more than these ever could. And there's still a bit of light falling onto these, as you can see. So it's not completely blocked out. So I think it's going to be a net benefit for us. I hope, at least. Okay. What did we say? Girders. Right. Girders. Solar panels. Here we go. There we get the energy. Now this is, at least for now, this is not going to be super efficient yet. Of course, because we do not yet have the orientation right, but I think it's going to be fine. That sounds weird. That sounds super weird. I didn't know, don't know if you exactly heard that, but that sounded super strange. Okay, no more girders, but also a few more construction components. That sounds so weird. It sounds like it's cutting off power somehow. But I don't think it does, otherwise the light will flicker as well. There we go. Okay, they're all done. Let me just add some bulletproof glass, just because we can. So they're complete. Okay. Oh, what? I thought we added the construction components. What the heck? That's weird. Come on now. There we go. Okay. So, let me just sit in the thingy, the station, and see what we have right now. Now we have... Okay, now it's fluctuating a little bit, but that's okay. Right, so now, I don't think we have a programmable block right here, actually. I don't think we have one in here either. So we'll need a programmable block. Of course. Let me just get one here. Big programmable block boy. Steel. Yeah, okay. We'll also need how many big tubes? 2 big tubes. And then 21 of these. That's for construction to computers. What else? 1 motor. Okay, I think that's it. And we're gonna smash that. We're gonna tuck it away somewhere. You know what? Let's put it next to the thingy here. Why not? Oh, a display. Of course a display. Everything that has a display also needs a display. That kind of makes sense, doesn't it? Right. Good. And now we're gonna get ourselves the one of my... Hold on. What the heck is going on? There we go. It was super laggy for some reason just now. There, Izzy's solar alignment script. It is super easy. There's a guide that you can look at. It is a tutorial video. There's also, I think, a blueprint. But generally speaking, it is quite easy to use. So copy to editor, check code. Yeah, something is weird right now. I cannot just, I cannot press the freaking buttons for some reason. You see that? What the heck is going on right now? Okay, something is not right. Hold on. What the hell was that? Okay, let's try this again. Yes, something is broken here. Something is definitely broken. You see this? What is going on? Is there a power problem? So, copy to editor. Okay. Right. Okay, it's running. Don't know why that was going. And it actually tells you pretty much what you need to do. So, you see it's running right now. And it gives us a warning. Says, rotor group not found, solar rotors. And that's all you have to do. Basically, you need to get all the blocks that are belonging to the solar unit that needs to be aligned into a group. So that is going to be one rotor, this guy. We're just going to start making this group now. So there's the we have to call it solar rotors. I think rotors it is. So we're also going to rename these solar 1 underscore rotor. There we go. So we find these later. Then we have the hinge, which, I didn't complete the hinge apparently. Okay, so this is solar 1 hinge, right? That is okay. I just have to check why this is not complete. Why is that hinge not complete? Oh yeah, I forgot steel plates. I think I talked about it, but I forgot. All right. Let me complete you. There we go. Now it's there. Okay. And now we obviously need to get all the solar panels that belong to this in there. Now, of course, I have a ton of solar panels, so how the heck would that work? Quite simple. At least I think it's simple. Let me just check something. I think all the solar panels that I have up till now are not on rotors, are they? Right, they are just fixed, aka the solar panels on our station are just going to be colored, with the exception actually of the solar panels on the ship here. So I'm going to cap the connection here real quick of this bad boy and this one. There we go. And now only the solar panels on my station should show, I think. Let's see. So we have solar. We still have two different groups of solar panels. But I'm pretty sure, I think that's what the script already does this with solar panels on its grid. It puts a percentage number behind them. Or at least I think it does it with the solar panels that are on a rotor, I think. So I think it's all of these with the percentage number. So we're gonna mark all of these. That's why you should name all the things properly, by the way, just so if you want to do something like this in the aftermath that it's easier to find. So we're gonna have that. And we're gonna add that to the group, solar rotors. And now if we go to the solar rotor group, I think this group should now mark all the right things. Let's see, solar rotors. It should mark all the panels, yes. Plus the solar, where is it? Solar 1 rotor and solar 1 hinge. So save. There we go. And now if we go over to this thing, it says us, there we go. Aligning one vector, aligned, script is running in rotor mode. And there it basically rotates through several things all the time to realign our solar grid. And so now if we go down here, we should, I think, see it moving. Yeah, there we go. You can see it moving. So now it will start aligning it in one plane. And then probably it will start to turn it downwards after. So I think it should do that. We'll see. I believe it's also possible to tweak it a little bit so it does this faster. But in standard mode, it's very smooth. And once it actually is aligned properly, all it has to do is just a few alignments to, to get the sun towards the sun, so to speak. Ah, there we go. I just wanted to say now it needs to rotate it. And the thing is, you saw it just rotated in one direction and then it realized that it's the wrong direction, so now it's rotating it in the proper direction. There we go. That's quite nice, isn't it? That is quite nice. This is our new little solar array, which once the sun comes back for the next cycle, this is gonna be super effective. I mean, I might, if I see that we are running low on energy soon, if it's going down and down, then I might even put more solar panels all over this asteroid. I mean, now we have on this side, we have up, we have down. I don't think we have on the right side here. We don't have some over here, but that's also would be a long dig. And I don't think we have solar panels pointing towards the Earth specifically. So we might put more of these down, actually. So yeah, I think... Ow! What? Really? That killed me? Really? Okay. That was special. I didn't expect that to kill me, honestly. Where's my inventory? Hello? What the heck? Where's my inventory? Shouldn't I be able to... Oh, there's the body location. Ah, gee, thanks, game. Right. God, this is always so freaking annoying. There we go. Oh, shit. Hold on. I need to swap things with you. Okay, let's try to... You can have the shitty ones and I'll take that. Thank you. Ah, there we go. Right. So yeah, I think the rotation is now more or less complete, or as efficient as it's gonna get. I mean, here we actually have the asteroid starting to block out the sun, so this is as good as it's gonna get. But yeah, I think this is gonna help a lot. I mean, right now we're probably in a little bit of trouble. Yeah, see, now we actually don't have that much energy anymore. I think we'll have to take care of that next time. I think we have to install way more solar panels on the downside, on the underside of the asteroid, aka we'll have to make this solar array a lot bigger, so adding more solar panels on this. And I don't want to convert this into a movable one because that's going to be super annoying to do. But yeah, we'll definitely have to improve that one, I think. So yeah, project for next time, because otherwise we'll run out of energy. All right, guys, Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and take care.